Hi, my name is Anand Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Rambling of an Analyst. In today's episode, I'm going to talk a little bit about the silent rally which has been going on. Okay, so quite recently, I know if some of you has been following the stock market, we could see a lot of headline news with regards to the glove sector and how the glove sector actually managed to give many investors a lot of returns. But having said that, tucked in this particular headline, there were a couple of industries and there were a couple of sectors which managed to enjoy a rally. And this is what the episode is about. So amongst the sector which managed to enjoy a silent rally, this is what I want to call it. I think one of the reasons why I'm calling it a silent rally is not many people talked about it, but the return is quite substantial. So amongst the sectors which managed to enjoy a rally would be number one, the palm oil sector. And these are the stocks which are listed in the palm oil industry. The first example would be IGM Plantation. I think at its lowest point is probably trading at 1 ringgit and right now it's about 180. So it's about an 80% return just in 1 year. Aside from that, there was another plantation company by the name of TH Plantation, which was trading at about maybe 20 cents and right now is about 50 cents. And so that is more than 200% return also in 1 year. And finally, there is this company called Bauxite Plantation, which was trading at 20 cents during the pandemic or during the news of the lockdowns in our country. And right now it is 56 cents. So again, that is more than 200% return for the palm oil players or the palm oil companies. Aside from that, there was also another silent rally, and this was happening in the oil and gas sector. And as many of you guys know, and I've highlighted in this particular channel a couple of times that I've invested in hibiscus. And I think I invested in hibiscus at, I think somewhere over here, and right now it's about 68 cents. And I think the final industry which I would love to highlight is the technology industry. And as many of you guys could see, I've managed to invest in Dagang Next. And aside from that, we could see other tech players, which includes Revenue Group. At one time, it was about 70 cents, and right now it's about 190. Data Prep, 10 cents, and right now it's about 1 ringgit. And also Awan Biru Technologies, 10 cents, right now is 1 ringgit. If we look at all of these tech guys, I think we can see that some of these players managed to give returns of about 10 times in the form of Awan Biru and also Data Prep. So what I want to say over here is that I've been talking to some friends, and sometimes some of my friends will come up with statements that seem to imply that the returns from the local market is not the best. And to that, sometimes if we don't have enough knowledge, we tend to believe it. But having said that, if we dig enough, if we gain enough knowledge, and if we look at stocks, there is definitely good stocks and great stocks to invest in Malaysia. And time again in this channel, I've shown you that the Malaysian market can help build our wealth.